All right, let's talk about Google Cloud. It's a bit of a newcomer to the public cloud scene, but don't let that fool you. They're bringing some serious firepower to the table. Think of it like this: AWS and Azure are the established veterans, but Google Cloud is the rising star with a few tricks up its sleeve. They've got all the basics covered: virtual machines, networking, storage, the usual infrastructure stuff. But where Google Cloud really shines is in data processing and analytics. Why? Because they've been using these tools in house for years. Talk about battle tested. They've crunched data at a scale that would make your head spin. Now, here's the catch: these tools were initially built to solve Google's unique problems, indexing the entire internet, organizing the world's information, that kind of thing. So they're now working on making them more user friendly for the rest of us mere mortals. Let's dive into Google Cloud tools you can use to build a killer data platform, and we'll keep it quite snappy for now. Batch data ingestion. Need to load data in bulk? Google Cloud has you covered with Cloud Data Fusion, Cloud Functions, and BigQuery Data Transfer Service. Cloud Data Fusion is like a super-powered ETL tool that lets you build data pipelines with a drag and drop interface. No coding required. Well, mostly. It's based on an open source project, so you can even create your own plugins if you're feeling adventurous. Streaming data ingestion. For data that's constantly flowing in, there's Cloud Pub Sub. Think of it as a high-speed messaging service. It's similar to AWS Kinesis, but it can handle even bigger chunks of data because, Google. Data platform storage. Google Cloud Storage is your go-to for scalable and cost-effective storage. It's like a massive hard drive in the cloud with different tiers for different needs. Batch data processing. When you need to crunch massive amounts of data, Google Cloud offers Dataproc and Cloud Data Flow. Dataproc lets you spin up a Spark or Hadoop cluster whenever you need it, and Cloud Data Flow is a fully managed service for running Apache Beam jobs. Real-time data processing and analytics. For real-time insights, you can use Cloud Pub Sub with Cloud Data Flow. It's a powerful combination for handling streaming data. They also have Spark streaming on Dataproc if you're already familiar with Spark. Cloud Warehouse. BigQuery is Google's answer to a managed data warehouse. It's super smart. It automatically figures out how much computing power you need for each query. No more guessing games. Plus, it's great at handling complex data types like those messy JSON files we all love. Direct Data Platform Access. Want to dive right into your data lake? BigQuery lets you create external tables that live in Google Cloud Storage. It's like having a portal directly to your data. ETL overlay and metadata repository. Cloud Data Fusion not only helps you build pipelines, but it also keeps track of all your data and transformations. It's like a map of your data universe. Orchestration layer. Cloud Composer is your conductor for complex data workflows. It's based on Apache Airflow and makes it easy to manage multi-step jobs. Data consumers. BigQuery has a REST API for data access, and there are JDBC, ODBC drivers available if you need them. But many business intelligence and reporting tools now have built-in BigQuery support, so you might not even need those drivers. That's Google Cloud in a nutshell. It's a powerful platform with a lot to offer, especially if you're into data analytics. So if you're looking to level up your career or business, Google Cloud is definitely worth exploring. Next, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Azure. Now, you might be thinking, Azure? Isn't that just Microsoft's version of the cloud? Well, you're not wrong, but it's way more than just that. Think of Microsoft. They've been rocking the data scene for ages with their trusty SQL Server. So it's no surprise that they brought that expertise to Azure. But here's the kicker. They didn't just stop at good old SQL Server. Nope. They went all out and built a bunch of cool native, cloud native tools too. We're talking Data Factory, Cosmos DB, the whole shebang. This handy diagram shows all these Azure goodies came together to build a powerful cloud data platform. Think of it as your data stream team, with each player having a special role. Data ingestion. First up, we need to get that data flowing into a platform. That's where Azure Data Factory comes in. It's like the ultimate data wrangler, herding data from all sorts of sources. Databases? Check. Files? Check. Even those trendy SaaS platforms like Salesforce? Yep, Data Factory handles it all. And the best part? It plays nicely with almost every Azure data product under the sun. Plus, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even create your own custom connections. Talk about flexibility. Now, for those of you dealing with data streaming in from all directions, Azure Event Hubs is your new best friend. Think of it as a super efficient message delivering service similar to those other guys, Kinesis and PubSub. But here's a neat trick. Event Hub speaks the same language as Apache Kafka. So if you're already a Kafka pro, you'll feel right at home. The data warehouse. Okay, we've got data flowing in, but where do we put it all? Enter Azure Blob Storage, your massive scalable data warehouse in the cloud. It's like having a bottomless storage unit for all your data treasures. But wait, there's more. Azure also offers data lake storage, which is like blob storage on steroids. It's built for serious data crunching and can handle those massive processing jobs without breaking a sweat. Data processing. Now, for the heavy lifting, processing all that data, Azure doesn't mess around here. They've teamed up with Databricks, the Spark experts, to give you a super flexible environment for running your Spark jobs. And guess what? It integrates seamlessly with the rest of Azure, making your life a whole lot easier. For real-time data analysis, Azure Stream Analytics is your go-to tool. It's like having a SQL wizard conjuring insights from your streaming data with a flick of its wand. Cloud Data Warehouse. Need a secure and scalable data fortress? Look no further than Azure Synapse. This cloud-native warehouse is built on the rock-solid foundation of MS SQL Server, so you know it's reliable. And here's the cool part. Azure Synapse lets you scale your computing power up or down as needed without affecting your data storage. It's like having a data warehouse with a turbo button. Direct data access. Want to get up close and personal with your data? Azure Databricks lets you do just that. It's like having a team of expert data explorers who can navigate your data lake and uncover hidden treasures. ETL and metadata. Remember Data Factory or Data Wrangler? Well, it's also a master organizer, helping you create and manage data pipelines. With its handy API support, you can even automate the whole process. Talk about efficiency. To keep track of all your data assets, Azure offers Data Catalog. It's like a data librarian creating a searchable catalog of all your data, complete with helpful information and profiling details. Orchestration. Finally, we need a conductor to orchestrate this entire data symphony. And once again, Data Factory steps up to the podium. It handles scheduling, manages dependencies, and ensures your data pipelines flow harmoniously. Data consumers. Last but not least, we have the data consumers, the folks who actually use this data to make magic happen. Azure caters to all sorts of data enthusiasts, from SQL gurus to application developers. Azure Synapse is a SQL lover's dream, offering full support for JDBC, ODBC drivers. And for those who need real-time access, Cosmos DB is a lightning-fast document database that's perfect for applications. All right, that's Azure for you. Next up, we'll look at open source and commercial alternatives to the big three. See you there.